Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can save your music to VN. So let's say that you've already done your editing on VN and you want to add your music from your library to VN. Here's how to do that. So first click on this plus music icon and then choose on music. So basically on VN there will be automatically detect what's music on your device. So in my music here is the one that's on my music library. So for example, I want to add this one, so you can just click on choose and then it will be added on your VN like this. But if you want to choose the other way, say to save your uh music, you can just click on the music again, and then here you need you see there is a plus button icon. So here you can extract the music from link. You can go to the music library, or you can also extract from video, or the choose from file manager. So for example, I want to extract one from video. So here you can just choose which one of the video that you want to extract its sound. For example, this one's right here, and then you can just click on OK. Now it's processing, and this one's right here is the one that I've extracted before. So you can just click on choose and then click on the check icon, and this music will be saved to your edited videos, and you can just click on the arrow to save it. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye guys.